In this video, I will be showing you how to install Codex app on macOS. So let's get started. First thing, just search for OpenAI Codex. We'll be having the official link from openai.com. Select it, and here we are having download for Mac. Click that. Download will be getting started. It is around 307 MB, so just be patient. Once the download is complete, just open it and drag and drop it inside applications. Now just go to apps and search for Codex. We'll be having that. Open it. We will be getting the welcome to Codex screen. Here we can sign in with ChatGPT account or any other way. I will just go with continue with ChatGPT. This will redirect you to the browser. Make sure that you are signing in. After you sign in, it will ask you what type of work do you do. If you want to answer this, you can, or else simply click on skip. And we are inside Codex now. We can simply close it. And these are the models that are available: GPT 5.5, 5.4, and we are also having the previous older models. Here we are having plugins. You can simply connect Codex to many other external tools or applications. Apart from this, here we are having the project. In case if you are having an existing project, you can make use of it, or else simply click start from scratch. After this, just mention a prompt that you want to do in this project. I'm going with create me a HTML CSS portfolio site. I'm a web developer, and run it. So we have got the code now created. If I simply click on open, and this is the website that it has created for us. Looks absolutely amazing. Damn, this is just a small preview. Like if you want to expand it, you can expand it this way, and that looks superb, to be honest. I just gave a random one sentence prompt and it has amazingly created a full portfolio website. You can just plug in your data and ask to create some other website also. That's up to you. If you want to see the code, we can do this. This will basically show us the code, and if you want to review it in a larger view, you can do this. And there are a ton of features. Just use it and let me know how it's for you. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.